Hello.
And welcome back to the channel.
After a few weeks of in different weather, I suppose, we've had quite a lot of rain in here in Spain. It may have been on the news, I don't know, lots of places have been flooded, but the rain has stopped, the sun is out, and we've managed to get out on the bike, and we've come to a place about 15 minutes from where we live just south of Alicante, and this is the Mirador de Faro de Cabo de Santa Pola, which basically is the mirador of the lighthouse of Santa Pola. And we've come to a place where they've built a walkway, which is they've used entirely recyclable materials, about 11,000 tons of recycled plastic to build this walkway. And we've come to Mirador, which we're about to show you. There is a little coast road that goes along here. It comes down from Gran Alicante, and then it goes all the way down the coast to Santa Pola. And I think what we'll do is when we've finished here, we'll ride up to Gran Alicante and we'll get onto that little coast road.
Oh, for God's sake, the things he does to get a photograph.
Best in fact, we just found out about Tabarca. It was originally, well, it was resettled in 1770 by Tunisian refugees, again from an island called Tabarca, and they renamed it as such. Didn't know that. Not far from the lighthouse, the viewpoint, we'll find in the countryside lots of these emplacements. They were the anti-aircraft emplacements during the Civil War. So Franco would fly his aircraft over from Mallorca. They had a base in Mallorca to bomb Alicante during the Civil War, and all around this area there's lots of these emplacements where they'd use anti-aircraft guns to try and shoot them down on the way in to bomb Alicante. up on the bike. It's warming up nicely. It's 20 degrees now. Now we're going to go along that coast road that we told you about from Alicante to Santa Pola. Come down to the beach along the little coast road that links Alicante and Santa Pola. I don't know if you can see, but up there, that's the viewpoints that we've just been up to, and that's the lighthouse. So obviously we're now down on the coast. You've got the sea behind us. It's a lovely day, sun shining, Tobacco Island in the distance. There's Karen trying to get some artistic photographs.